Guys, don't forget to read this section carefully in your
Is it
textbook.
raining outside? Hey, Emmy, did you bring your raincoat and umbrella?
Oh, it's raining. Lucky me, my mum told me to pack my umbrella before I left.
That's all for today, class. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Got coats and umbrellas. Come on, let's wear them and go home. So, are you heading home by bus?
Yeah, it only takes me around 15 minutes to get back.
Be safe on your way home. See ya. Mom, Dad, I'm Hami.
Welcome home, sweetie. Were you caught in the rain?
Thanks to you, Mum, I didn't get to wet.
All right, go get changed and then come down for dinner.